In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flatten a PDF for free online without the need for Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF with me here and this PDF is editable, but let's assume you wanted to flatten it. And by flattening a PDF, you're making sure that all the layers, that is the fonts, the images, are flattened so that it's easier to print and more or less changes cannot be made to that particular PDF. Now, I'm going to use Canva for this and it's free to do this. I'm on a free account. As you can see, I have the option to upgrade your plan, but I'll not upgrade my plan. So what you need to do is have your PDF right there and then a Canva account. So I'm going to click on Upload Media. And once I do that, I'll click on Upload Files and select the PDF I want to flatten. Now, once I select it, I'll click on Open. And it's going to upload right here, and it's a small PDF file, just 3 pages. And if I click on it right inside here in Canva, if I just hover, you can see that you can make edits. If I actually zoom in slightly, you can see that I can make changes. If I wanted to type in, let's say I wanted to type in something, I can do that. But now, when we flatten this PDF, we ensure that the font that is set out here is what remains, and if it's going to be printed, it's going to be printed as we intended it to be. If you had images, they're also going to be flattened, and what you're going to get is more or less of what feels like a scanned PDF. Now, to flatten your PDF, I actually don't need to make any edits. All I need to do is just click on Share, and then from here click on Download, and then by default you may get file type is PNG. Click on the drop down and then select PDF standard. Click on that and then you'll see the option to flatten the PDF. I'll select this, and if you hover over it, what it says is that it converts content of the design into a single image per page. It may increase the file size, so take a note of that. And I want all the pages, and then I'll click on download. So there we go, it's downloading. It's going to come to this particular page, and as you can see, here we have it. It's right here. If I actually just double click on it, it's going to look like the PDF that we had right here. But what if I use a PDF editing application? I'll just right click on it, open with Tenorshare PD knob, and what you'll notice is you'll get this notification. This is a scanned PDF. Perform OCR to make it editable and searchable. So it's been flattened out into what feels like a scanned PDF, and that is how you can use Canva to flatten a PDF for free online. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.